How to find BNB BEP20 address on your Trust wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Trust wallet application and sign in with your account. Then what you're gonna need to do is to simply click on Manage Crypto on the top right corner and make sure to search for BNB just like so, and make sure that BNB Smart Chain is toggle on. Once you are done, you're gonna need to simply go back now and search for BNB Smart Chain, and there we have an option of receive. So simply click on it and there you have it. We have our BNB Smart Chain address on our Trust wallet, which you can simply copy, or you can also deposit from exchange like Binance. So if I click on Binance, this is going to take me to my Binance application, where you're gonna see BEP20 on the top right of my network address. And there you have it. We have successfully find our BNB BEP20 address on our Trust wallet.